Hello everyone, welcome to the Bug Expert channel. In this video, we will talk about solutions for friends who encounter Instagram message status fail error. This error is usually caused by the Instagram application blocking the IP address. Of course, we may encounter such an error not only because of this problem, but also because of many problems. For this, we will try to solve the problem by telling you a few suggestions. The fact that the Instagram app is not up to date means that it is not open to innovations. Therefore, we need to verify whether the Instagram application is up to date. After this process, if your problem persists, let's uninstall the application and reinstall it. If the problem persists after this process, let's visit the Down Detector site and check if some people are having problems with the Instagram application. For this, let's open any browser and type Down Detector on the search screen and access the first site. Then, let's type Instagram on the search screen and search for it and check the reported graph. If there is a heavy increase in the graph, it means that there is a problem with the Instagram servers. If there is no increase in the graph and your problem persists, let's move on to our other suggestion. First of all, open any of your browsers and type Instagram old variants on the search screen and search. Access the site in the video on the screen that appears and download the old version application. Before the download is complete, let's delete the Instagram application completely and open the file manager. After the download is complete, let's open the Downloads folder. Click on the application we downloaded and perform the installation process. After the installation process is complete, you can check if the problem persists by running the application. If your problem persists after this process, let's clear the cache data by deleting the Instagram application and reinstalling it on Google Play. After the download is complete, open the Settings menu, access the Applications menu and select the Instagram application. Then clear the cache and data by clicking on the Storage option. After this process, come back and access the Permissions option and verify if all permissions are turned on. If permissions are disabled, enable it and check if the problem persists by running the Instagram application. If you are perceived as a bot by artificial intelligence, Instagram may want your account password to be changed by artificial intelligence. This may be due to suspicious login. To reset your password by opening the Instagram app, send the verification code to your phone and reset your password. After successfully changing your password, you can try to log into your account. Various problems with application data or cookies may cause us to encounter such errors. With these cookies not deleted, we can eliminate this problem by cloning the Instagram application. Only users with Android operating system can perform this operation. First of all, open the Google Play application and download it by searching for multiple accounts on the search screen. The application will not work because I showed you through the emulator. For this, start the cloning process by opening the application and selecting the Instagram application. After the cloning process is complete, you can open the application and check if the problem persists. As we said above, if Instagram's artificial intelligence detects you as a bot, it can temporarily block your login by blocking your IP address. For this, you can eliminate the problem by changing your IP address. To change your IP address, turn your mobile data or modem off and on again. This will help you renew your IP address. If you are accessing the internet via a Wi-Fi connection, turn your mobile data off and on. Yes, in this video we have provided information on how to fix Instagram message status fail error. If you are encountering various errors, you can reach the forum portal and send your questions to the community. By supporting us, we can expand our community. Thank you.